Hello everyone, I hope this video finds you all well. I am here today to talk about safer and more responsible practices of vape and cigarette use. My name is Kylie, my pronouns are she, her, hers, and I am an ATOD student leader at Health Promotion and Wellness. To start, let's first identify some products categorized under vape. Vape products include e-cigarettes, vape pens, and hookah. Most vape products contain nicotine. Cigarettes, along with cigars and cigarillos, are categorized under smoked products. Smoked products contain both nicotine and tobacco. Well, what is tobacco and nicotine, and why should an individual be aware of its presence in vape and cigarettes? Nicotine is a highly addictive chemical compound found in tobacco. Tobacco, on the other hand, is a plant grown for its leaves, which are dried and fermented before being put into tobacco products, such as cigarettes. Tobacco contains nicotine, which is why individuals who use tobacco may find it difficult to quit. When tobacco is smoked, nicotine is absorbed through the lungs and enters the bloodstream, where it circulates throughout the body and travels to the brain. Now, based on what we discussed, are you ready for a pop quiz? True or false? E-cigarettes do not contain nicotine and therefore there is zero risk of addiction. False. As previously stated, most vape products do in fact contain nicotine, which is an addictive chemical compound found in tobacco, so there are chances of addiction when vaping, though many individuals believe otherwise. True or false? Vape is only flavored water vapor and therefore safer than cigarettes. False. Though forms of vape are water vapor, similar to cigarettes, they also contain nicotine and various other chemicals, which can impact an individual's health. True or false? Individuals who have never smoked are still in danger of lung or any other cancer caused by tobacco smoke. True. Individuals who have never smoked are still at risk of the same harms caused by tobacco smoke through secondhand smoke. Non-smokers who are exposed to secondhand smoke inhale many of the same toxins as smokers, leaving them at risk for the same harms. True or false? An individual's system is permanently damaged after smoking for a period of time. False. Quitting produces immediate results for most smokers. Within weeks, heart rate and blood pressure return to normal levels, circulation and lung function improve, coughing declines, smell and taste gets better, and life expectancy extends. Great, awesome job if you answered a few of these questions correctly, and don't be discouraged if you didn't. This is the sole purpose of this video. Now that we have debunked common misconceptions about smoking and vaping and identified smoked versus vaped products, I will next talk about smoking and vaping during COVID-19. An individual who has been smoking and/or vaping for a while may experience coughing, lung damage, and a weakened immune system. This is important to note when smoking and vaping during the COVID-19 pandemic, when one requires a strong immune system to better combat the virus if infected. As a response to this information, I will be sharing some harm reduction practices to cigarette and vape use in hopes to decrease the risk of being exposed to COVID-19. Firstly, individuals should not share any personal items with someone else. Do not pass the blunt or share the joint. It is safer to use one's own items to limit the spread of germs. Secondly, individuals may want to consider cutting down on smoking and vaping. Pondering on the reasons why an individual smokes and vapes, whether it be as a way to cope with stress, anxiety, or as a means to socialize, may help these individuals find alternatives to smoking or vaping. And lastly, being cautious of one's surroundings. As previously discussed, secondhand smoke can be just as harmful as firsthand smoking. Individuals may want to consider their surroundings before vaping or smoking. A less crowded and open area away from open windows is a smoke-friendly environment. Of course, do not forget to safely dispose of cigarette butts. As we end off this video, These are a couple of resources individuals who know someone or who want to quit themselves may want to further look into. Thank you for staying until the end of this video, and I hope you tune into ATOD's next health tip. If you have any further questions, please contact egandara@sfsu.edu or DM us at SF State Cares. Please subscribe, and happy Tuesday, everyone.